What's going on in the kitchen? Today I've got a winter salad, some funky flavours. You're gonna love it. Stick around. Alright, to kick this one off, just gonna show you what I've got. So I've got some Dutch carrots, some parsnips. If you can find the purple Dutch, then that actually looks awesome for the plate. Got some parsley, some goat's cheese, pomegranate seeds, and then the lemon that we're just going to use the zest and the juice that's going to go through our quinoa that's just cooking. So that's just cooking in vegetable stock, and that's just going to be like the base of the salad. So yeah, let's get into it. Just going to start with brushing the, just got a sponge and lightly brush them. If you want, you can peel them, but you'll find that you're going to lose like half the carrot if you peel it. So just give them a light brush, and then just dip it in the water to get rid of any excess dirt and skin. And once you've done that, we just need to go around the top here, and we're just going to clean that so you can get rid of any dirt that's there. So just with a small knife you can just scrape round, and that's it. Just work your way through the bunch. I'll see you in a minute. We're just going to go in with a couple of parsnips as well. So you want them to be a similar size. Can be slightly bigger because parsnips actually cook quicker than carrots. So you're just going to peel these and then slice them into batten so they're like a similar size. Just take the tops off. Just cut that down the middle. The core at the top is going to be a lot more dense, so you can just cut them into quarters and then take out the core. That way it will actually cook quicker as well, because that will remain hard during the cooking process. So yeah, just into quarters and then take it out. So the same with the other one. And what I'm going to do actually is get the carrots on now, give them a 5-minute head start, and then we can go in with the parsnips. So to get these ones going, using a tray, just going to throw them on the tray. Just going to go over with some olive oil, season with some Maldon salt, and then just give them about 5-6 minute head start before you put the parsnips in. Okay, so while the carrots are in the oven, I've just got the quinoa that I've just cooked. Basically, just cooked it in vegetable stock, and then I'm going to go with some lemon zest. Just give it a light brush. Don't go too heavy on it, so you end up getting the pith, because that will make it become bitter. And then just a squeeze of lemon, so to give it that bit of freshness. Don't go too hard on it. And then, just so it keeps in style with the salad, you can just olive oil, Maldon salt, and then I've got some pomegranate seeds, so I'm just going to put a few of those in just to give it some colour, and then whip up some parsley again just for some colour, and then just run through it once. Doesn't need to be majorly fine. Add that, and then and just give that a mix, and that's going to be like the base. So afterwards you can build everything on top of that with your carrots, your parsnips, and then we've got some goat's cheese, and then just going to finish off with the pomegranate seeds again. So just waiting on the vegetables. So these have been in like 10 minutes, so I'm just going to add the parsnips to them. There's already salt on the tray, so just drizzle a bit more oil just for the parsnips, and then let's put some black pepper on them. Then we can just go back into the oven until the parsnips are soft. Okay, so the vegetables are almost there. They've been in there probably about 25 minutes. So just gonna take those out. If you need to get more colour on, you can just ramp up the oven, and then that's it. So then to plate it up, this is still slightly warm. Just gonna put that onto the plate. So if you can get the purple ones of these, the colours are just much more vibrant, as long as you can get them when they're in season. If you see them, buy them, definitely worth it. So especially if it's just like a side number when you have guests. So, and then got some Meredith goat's cheese. Crack this one open, and then you can just spoon out the cubes. You can just crumble that over. A few more of the pomegranate seeds. A little bit of green to finish off. Another squeeze of lemon juice, just to bring up that level of acidity. And then just give it a touch of olive oil. And that's it, just a great little side number. So it's pretty easy to make, and it tastes awesome.